Hello, my friends. Thanks so much for requesting a custom background from the Academy. We are going to take you through the steps you need to know to get that background uploaded into your Microsoft Teams account. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your email. If you're using an Outlook type email, it might look like this. You're going to find the email that we sent you, same one you used to get to this video tutorial, and find the attachment and then download it. So you can either go just to the right of it and click Save As. I'm going to save it to my downloads folder, or you could save it to your desktop, whatever is easiest for you. So I'm going to save it to my downloads folder. Or maybe you don't have Outlook, perhaps you're using a Gmail type based service. This is mine, same thing, but in Gmail, same email. I'm going to open that email up. You can see down here at the bottom, here's the attachment. I'm going to download it. This is automatically downloading into my downloads folder. Now I'm going to walk you through how to upload it in Microsoft Teams. The first step is to open Microsoft Teams. You want to open the full version of Microsoft Teams, not the online version. The online version does not have access to virtual backgrounds, so you want to make sure you're in the full version, downloaded version on your computer of Teams. From there, you want to start a meeting and get your meeting going. Once your meeting is started, you'll see you have these three little dots at the top. You want to click that More Actions button and then scroll down to Apply Background Effects. From there, you can click this Add New button, and this is where you have to go find the background that you just downloaded. So you want to find it either, maybe it's in your desktop, it could be in your desktop folders, it could be in your downloads folders. Mine was in my downloads folder. So I'm going to open it from there. And now I'm going to scroll down and it's going to appear down here at the bottom of the, click on that and then click Apply. And there you have it. You can switch back and forth between different custom backgrounds in here. You will notice that the lettering is backwards. If the lettering appears backwards to you, that is correct. People that you are meeting with see a mirrored image of what you see. So if you're looking at the words backwards, thumbs up, you did it properly. All right, that's it. Enjoy your background. We hope that you will, if anyone comments about your background, that you will take the opportunity to tell them about the Academy and how much you love us. Encourage them to join us for a CLE or to just join us and become an Academy member. Thanks. Bye.